Friends, you have to start with x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus a into b. Already we proved this identity. You have to utilize this identity in the practice set 5.1. Here, first example is a plus 2 multiplied by a minus 1 is equal to, you have to find out. This is in the form. This is here x, here is x, here is a, here is a, here is 2, here is 1, this one is a, this one is b. So you have to utilize this formula in this example. You have to say that if this x is same, at that time you have to utilize the formula x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus a into b. Here x is equal to a, x is equal to what you have to take? X is equal to a, you have to take a is equal to, you have to take 2, x is equal to, you have to take a, and b is equal to, you have to take minus 1. So x is equal to a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 1. You have to put these values of x, a and b in this given formula. So x is equal to a, you have to put value of x as a, value of a as 2, value of x as a and value of b as minus 1. Then x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to x square means a square plus a plus b, 2 plus minus 1, 2 plus minus 1 into what you have to say, x means a, this x is a, plus 2 into minus 1, a into b means 2 into minus 1. So this one is a square plus 2 plus minus 1. If one number is positive, another one is negative, find the difference between their magnitude and give the sign of greater magnitude. 2 plus minus 1 is equal to plus 1, 1a. 1 multiplied by a is equal to 1a, and 2 ones are 2. Here, if one number is positive, another one is negative, the product is negative. This answer will come minus 2. And your answer will come a plus 2 into a minus 1 is equal to a square plus 1a minus 2. Then you have to start with the next example, m minus 4 into m plus 6. Here x is equal to, you have to take m, a is equal to, you have to take 4, a is equal to, you have to take 4, x is equal to, you have to take m, x is equal to, you have to take m, and b is equal to, you have to take 6. Here if x is same, this instead of x, here is m or m, at that time you have to utilize this identity. You have to say that x is equal to m, a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to 6. At that time you have to put these values, x value as m, a value as minus 4, x value as m, b value as plus 6, x square means m square plus a plus b means minus 4 plus 6, m plus a multiplied by b means minus 4 multiplied by 6. Here m square as it is. Here one number is negative, another one is positive. So find the difference between their magnitude and give the sign of greater magnitude. This answer minus 4 plus 6 is equal to plus 2m will come. And here you have to do the product. 6 4s are 24. But one number is positive, another one is negative, product is negative. So minus 24 will come. So m square as it is, 2m as it is, plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus 24. From that we will get the answer as m minus 4 into m plus 6 is equal to m square plus 2m minus 24. Then you have to come to the example number 3. P plus 8 and p minus 3. You have to utilize the formula. X is equal to, you have to take p, a is equal to, you have to take 8, x is equal to, you have to take p, and a is equal to, you have to take b. You have to put these values of a, x, a, b in the given formula. At that time p plus 8 into p minus 3 is equal to p square plus a plus b means 8 plus minus 3 into p, here multiplication sign, plus a multiplied by b means 8 multiplied by minus 3. Here this will come p square. Here from the 8 minus 3, from the bigger number you have to subtract the smaller number and you have to give the sign of bigger number. This will come 8 minus 3, 8 plus minus 3 is equal to 5p will come. Then this 8 3s are 24. One number is positive, another one is negative, the product is negative. So this will come p square plus 5p plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus. This 24 will come here. So p plus 8 into p minus 3 is equal to p square plus 5p minus 24. Then you have to start with the example number 4. 13 plus 6 and 13 minus 6. Here you have to say that here is 13, 13. So this value of x is same. So you have to utilize this formula x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus a into b. You have to take x as 13 You have to take A as x, you have to take x as 13, you have to take b as minus x, and you have to put this value of xab in the given formula. At that time 13 plus 6 into 13 minus x is equal to x value is 13 square minus a plus b is x plus minus x into 13 plus x into minus x. This one is a multiplied by b. Here this 13 square is 169. Already we learned in the square lesson 13 square is 169. This plus x minus x cancel. So this will plus x minus x cancel. So this will come 0 multiplied by this answer will come 0. This has 0 multiplied by 13 plus x multiplied by minus x is equal to minus x square. Then minus 169 as it is, 0 as it is, minus plus multiplied by minus is equal to minus x square. Then this will come 13 plus x into 13 minus x. You have to remove this 0. So 169 as it is, minus x square. So 13 plus x into 13 minus x is equal to 169 minus x square. Otherwise you have to utilize the formula identity a plus b multiplied by a minus b. At that time a square minus b square will come, means 169 minus x square. If you will utilize that identity, then also our answer will come correct. Then you have to come to the example number 5, 3x plus 4y and 3x minus 4y. You have to say that x is equal to 3x, a is equal to 4y, x is equal to 3x and b is equal to 5y. You have to put this value of x, a and b in the given formula. 3x plus 4y and 3x plus 4y multiplied by 3x minus 4y is equal to 3x square plus this a plus b means 4y plus 5y into 3x plus here a multiplied by b means 4y multiplied by 5y. Then here you have to do the square of 3 also, square of x also. 3x square means 9x square, 3 square is 9, x square is x square. 4y plus 5y is equal to 9y multiplied by 3x plus these 4 5s are 20. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Y multiplied by y is equal to y square. So this will come 9x square and 9 3s are. Here you have to do the product. Now, numeric term you will multiply with the numeric term. Variable term will multiply with the variable term. 9 3s are 27. Y multiplied by x is equal to alphabetically x will come first and after that 5y will come. So 9 3s are 27. X multiplied by y is equal to xy plus 20y square. Means from that 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 5y is equal to what will come is equal to 9x square plus 27xy plus 20y square will come. So downside one example, you have to solve the another example. Utilize the identity properly and solve the example properly. So write all these things properly. Thank you.